If you ever felt like women lose interest too fast, or you're always the one chasing, then listen up, because there's a hidden timing rule that flips the game, making her chase you. And the best part? It works on any woman. Stick with me. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make women obsessed with you just by mastering timing. Most guys think attraction is all about looks, money, or even fancy pickup lines. But let me tell you something. Timing is everything. The biggest mistake men make? Responding too fast, showing too much availability, and giving her all the attention up front. See, when you instantly respond, she subconsciously thinks, he's too available, he's got nothing else going on. And just like that, you kill the chase. Now, let's talk about the secret timing rule that flips everything in your favor. The key to making women obsessed with you is understanding delayed gratification. It's called the timing rule, and it's based on simple psychology. The more uncertain she is about when you'll respond, the more she'll think about you. The rule is simple. Match your energy, but with a slight delay. If she takes 30 minutes to respond, you take at least 45. If she double texts, wait before answering. This builds tension, and tension creates attraction. Here's where most guys mess up. They either respond too slow and seem uninterested, or they break the pattern and go back to being overly eager. The secret is to balance availability with a hint of mystery. The timing rule works best when you're actually busy. If you're just waiting by your phone, forcing yourself to delay a response, she'll feel the difference. So focus on your life, your goals, your passions, your mission. When you apply this rule, she starts to wonder, why isn't he responding fast? What's he up to? That's when she gets hooked. She starts chasing you. And when she chases, her attraction skyrockets. One last secret? Don't just delay texts. Make her anticipate your responses. Send messages that leave a little mystery. Instead of, hey, what's up? Try, I just saw something that reminded me of you, but I'll tell you later. Now she's hooked. And just like that, you become a man she can't stop thinking about. Now that you know the timing rule, imagine combining it with other high-value attraction secrets. Hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm dropping game-changing videos every week. And if you want my personal strategy on texting women the right way, drop a comment below and let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay confident. Peace.